Hey guys, it's Casey, and today is travel day. We're going to Vancouver, Canada, and we're flying there from SFO, so it'll be probably a short flight, which I'm really excited about. This is chaos. I just saw a child's shoe. And a dog is legit yapping its head off. It sounds like a parrot. I'm scared for security if this is the current standards. So never mind. I guess bad airport day means good security day because it only took 5 minutes to get through the entire security when it said it would take 6 minutes to get through the line. So yeah, that was like the fastest I've ever been through security. And this time I didn't get accused of being over 18, and I also didn't get accused of having gunpowder on me, so I say it's good. Breakfast time, yum yum. What did you get?
Bagel. Bagel with cream cheese.
We'll do a mukbang. So yummy. Over here we got bagel. Yummy. So I'm not sure if it's everyone's grandma's funeral, but why is everybody flying today? Like
light snack. Light snack.
Light snack. They biometrically scanned our faces to get in here. I don't know how I feel about that. In Canada, and the only thing I want to do here is go to Tim Hortons. That's about it. So yeah. Okay, we're in the hotel. It's so fancy. But over there across the street, like legit right across the street, is the cruise ship. So it's right there behind that public parking sign. But it's a really, really short walk. Yay! Ooh. It's so pretty. Do a room tour. What the hell? Anyways, so we got this beautiful view. I love this city. It's so clean. Like, San Francisco has nothing on this, I don't know. We got a giant TV desk area, 2 beds, so I guess someone's gonna have to share a bed. Mirror. And then I would show you the bathroom. Oh wait. Anyways, this is the bathroom. It's very big, very nice. Also, I'm pretty sure this is a good product. Let me know if I'm wrong though, but I'm pretty sure this is a really good product. So yeah, and now we're gonna go look at the cruise ships, so bye bye. Guys, there's a Starbucks. Alright, this is good, I'm at home. These aren't our boats, but they're so cool. This is an Alaska one. See, look, even like the arch over there is themed. Like, so cool. Another thing I like is everything here is in French. So it makes me feel like taking French in high school is worth something. So yeah, and I can also understand it. Brilliance of the Seas. So this is the Royal Caribbean one. Slightly bigger than the Alaska one. The Alaska one was actually too small. Oh, this is a small celebrity boat. We're at the end of the dock. It's so pretty here. I want to move here, low-key.
Notice how ugly the boat is in the back.
Oh, it is kind of ugly in the back. Look. Like, I don't know if you can see that. It's like all scratched up. Guys, it's a real Canadian goose. A real Canadian goose. Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh, it's so cute. What is it? Is it trying to sleep? Oh, it's sleeping. Bye bye. There's one in the thing. There's one in the bed. Hello? They're like everywhere. It's so funny. Okay, well we found a convenience store, I guess. What was wrong? It was like, oh my gosh, ketchup chips. You have to get the ketchup chips. What other weird stuff? Butter. Biscuits, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh, this has a snail on it. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, she's all broken.
Snail. Oh, they're like rolls, like for roll-ups maybe? They're snails. Oh my gosh.
We got the ketchup chips and this arrow stuff. I saw it was. I think it's supposed to be really good.
I'm excited to try the ketchup chips.
Oh, it smells like. I think it's gonna taste like French fries. It smells like ketchup.
Are they like purple?
They look purple. Let's try it.
Yeah. They taste like ketchup.
How does like pickle chips?
I don't really like it.
I've been waiting to try these for like 5 years.
They're too sweet for me. But
I like these.
if I was starving, I would have it. But they're in like little ball things.
Yeah. And there's holes, so it's like.
Like a cookie there?
No.
Oh.
Okay.
Mmm.
We're trying it.
This is really good.
It's like a Three Musketeers bar that's all with chocolate.
I was expecting it to be like crunchy though.
Me too.
It's because of the holes.
It tastes like a normal chocolate though. Like nothing special about it. I wish it was chunky or crunchy. This building looks fake. Look at it, wait. There's trees. Like giant trees. Okay, we walked down this super cute little road. And look how cute this coffee place is, or like cafe. I don't really know what it is yet. It's so cute though. This is what it's called. Oh, they have gelato.
The Gelato Cafe is gelato?
What? No. It says Monaco Cafe.
Monaco?
It's so cute. We found this one.
You want to go to the old time candy shop?
Ooh, yes. A cute little candy store.
That's your step.
Okay. A bowl place. bunch of stuff. They have chamoy pickles. They have chamoy pickles. I want one so bad. They have all these pickles too. And they have the weird Satan's toe thing where it's really spicy lollipop. I don't know. There's so much stuff. They also have slime liquors.
Dad, you want some Bob Ross?
But they have like the weird flavors. I've only seen blue and red.
You want a Bob Ross energy drink?
What the heck is that? What flavor is this though? Oh, sour apple. And then they have pink. Black cherry is pink? No, that's wrong. I've seen those before.
Goop gun.
Bro. Have the weird Skittles drinks, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch iced coffee, and the Baja Blast Mountain Dew. This is OP'd, and I don't even want to know what this is. And we've already showed them the Bob Ross energy drink. The whole museum came in here. Frozen.
Oh, frozen.
We're in this Japanese grocery store.
Oh my god, someone's table.
It's so cool. There's clam, scallop, conch shell. So cool. No! See? These are sea snails. Okay, we're in the little convenience part of it, and there's so many fun little cool drinks. They have Ramoon. What else do they have? All different meat. They had kimchi over there. Candy. Oh, they just have the jellies. Jellies? Wonder, do they have sago? Bob. King Bob. We love King Bob. This place is literally so cool, but I'm so tired and I just want to eat and go to bed. Like, I've yawned probably like 30 times, not going to lie.
If you've yawned
So
30
this is great.
times, that means you're dehydrated.
Yeah, I'm also really thirsty, so that could be a thing too. Okay, we just left that shop. And now we're walking back towards the hotel, but we want to go to this ramen place. So that's what we're doing. Oh, this place is so pretty. Like, look, what even is this? There's a place with water inside the dragon. I don't even know what's going on anymore. More water up there. So pretty. Another water area. There's also grass and like seating. Really pretty. Okay, we're at this really cute ramen shop. That size. It's really small. Everything is really good. Yeah. Okay, cheers. We got all of our ramen. I will be trying everyone's, you know the drill. I'm so full.
Huh?
This is like a rooftop pool. Lovely views. Got seating over here. So cute. Back to the wing. Yay. I'm so tired. I'm gonna actually die. Okay, so that's gonna end the vlog for Vancouver. Tomorrow we're gonna be boarding the cruise ship, so I'll be vlogging that, day 1 of our cruise. And yeah, I'm probably just gonna sit here for the rest of the day. It's like 6:46 right now. Probably gonna watch some Mako Mermaids. I'm watching tennis too. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Comment down below your favorite Instagram reel creator, because I won't be able to watch Instagram reels for an entire week.